Krishnadas Kaviraj is offering us this benediction. The whole Chaitanya Charitamrita is meant to give this benediction, because this is the Mula Shlok, this is the Paribhasa Sutra. And he's saying that with this shlok, this fourth shloka, I am giving a benediction to all my readers. Listen, all my readers, my name is Krishnadas Kaviraj. I am also known as Kasturi Manjari in the eternal pastimes of Radha Shyama Sundar. That is my Nitya Manjari Sarup. And I want to give a benediction or blessing to all of my readers. I want you all to attain this special prema that Rupa Goswami is enunciating in my Mangalacharana verse, which I'm quoting. Unat Ujjvala Rasa Sobhakti Priyam. I hope that you all attain that by studying this Chaitanya Charitamrita and learning about this great treasure and starting to appreciate and value it and serve it. You will come to receive. This whole treasure will blossom in your heart, and then as it mentions here, then what is that result? It mentions that Hari Purata Sundara Duti Kadamba Sandipana. Sandipata, that your heart, Kandare, Hridaya Kandare. Spuratu Hridaya Kandare means manifesting in your heart will be this brilliant sunshine. This Sandipita means like thousands, and Kandamba Sandipita means a multitude, thousands and thousands of brilliant lights. What is that light? It's the light of Rasaraj Mahabhav. It is the light of Radha Shyam Sundar, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sri Krishna Chaitanya, Radha Krishna Nahayanya. That effulgent form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how effulgent is it? He says, Hari Purata Sundara Duti. Hari Purata Sundara Duti is beautiful. Hari Sundara, the most beautiful form of Hari is Gauranga. Gauranga! 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 Hari Sundara, Hari Purata Sundara Juti Kadamba Sandipata. So this Hari Purata means gold, brilliant gold. So when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu resides in our heart, Hridaya Kandare, Spuratu means he manifests there, he sits there, he resides there. And how will he come and sit there? How will he come and reside there? When we come to the platform, and when we come to the point where we give up everything and we surrender fully